Family of Fisherman Brian Odhiambo, who reportedly went missing inside Nakuru National Park, has accused park authorities of defying a court order that authorized a search for his body. This follows claims by a confidential witness who alleged knowledge of mass graves and burial sites within the park. The Nakuru Chief Magistrate's Court has since sanctioned a search operation for the remains. After the Directorate of Criminal Investigations (DCI) received information from an anonymous witness claiming to know the location of human remains buried within Nakuru National Park, the agency sought and obtained authorization on Monday this week from the Nakuru Chief Magistrate's Court to conduct a search and verify the claims.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations sought and obtained a far-reaching court order on Monday from the Chief Magistrate's Court at Nakuru, authorizing extensive search and exhumation operation within the park.
However, despite the court order being issued on Monday, 4 days later, the search operation is yet to begin, leaving the family of Brian Odhiambo, who disappeared in January 18th this year, in deep distress and uncertainty.
Any further delays risk compromising crucial evidence and may embolden those intent on covering up or interfering with ongoing investigations.
This Lake Nakuru is a crime scene, and the cases which have been reported here, there are more than 10 people who have died here. We hope the homicide team will uncover all those deaths which have been happening in Nakuru.
If Kenya today is to be judged by the case of Brian Odhiambo, then Kenya is a rotten society.
Through its lawyers, the family has expressed frustration over the delays, saying the prolonged inaction has left them emotionally and financially strained as they wait for answers.
The family has already endured prolonged anguish, and justice delayed at this stage is tantamount to justice denied.
If our security agencies today were to be judged by how they have treated the case of Brian Odhiambo, then the security agencies are a rotten security agency.
This comes as 6 Kenya Wildlife Service officers from the park face charges of Odhiambo's disappearance, with the 13 witnesses having already testified in court. The final witness, an investigating officer in the case, is expected to give his testimony inside the park on the 10th of November.
We therefore call upon the DCI, the ODPP, the KWS, the Honorable Attorney General, and all the relevant arms of government to fully implement the court's far-reaching order with urgency and transparency.